206 species in genus Aphelandra. March 1st. Aphelandra, the zebra plant, represents March 1st. Aphelandra's bold, striped leaves symbolize individuality and confidence. If this is your day, you are unafraid to stand out and express your unique personality. Your vibrant energy draws others to you, and your creative ideas leave a lasting impression. Aphelandra, a plant collector's dream. My name is Ferbvu, and I've always been drawn to the vibrant and unique in the natural world. That's why I find myself captivated by the genus Aphelandra, a group of flowering plants that truly stand out. Belong to the Acanthaceae family, native to the tropical regions of the Americas. These evergreen shrubs bring a touch of the exotic to any plant collection. Why I love Aphelandra. What strikes me most about Aphelandra is the bold, graphic quality of their foliage. The large, simple leaves often feature striking white or silver veins that create a mesmerizing contrast against the deep green. It's like Mother Nature herself took a paintbrush to these leaves, creating living works of art. And then there are the flowers. Held in magnificent spikes or clusters, they come in a dazzling array of colors, fiery reds, sunny yellows, and vibrant oranges. These blooms add a joyful burst of color that can brighten even the gloomiest day. But it's not just their beauty that fascinates me. Aphelandra species also boast a rich history of ethnobotanical use. Some have been traditionally employed for their medicinal properties, while others have played a role in local customs and traditions. This connection to human history adds another layer of intrigue to these already captivating plants. A diverse genus. The genus Aphelandra is surprisingly diverse, encompassing over 200 recognized species. Each one possesses its own unique charm and characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Growing and caring for Aphelandra. While Aphelandra plants may seem exotic, they're not overly demanding when it comes to care. Here are a few key tips I've learned over the years. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Humidity. These tropical plants thrive in humid environments. Consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a tray of pebbles filled with water. Temperature. Maintain a warm temperature, ideally between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Fertilizer. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. With proper care, your Aphelandra plants will reward you with their stunning foliage and vibrant blooms. More than just a pretty face. Beyond their ornamental value, Aphelandra species also contribute to the ecosystem. Their flowers attract pollinators like bees and hummingbirds, playing a vital role in supporting local biodiversity. Additionally, some species have been found to possess medicinal properties, with potential applications in treating inflammation and infections. As I continue to explore the world of Aphelandra, I'm constantly amazed by their beauty, diversity, and ecological importance. These plants are a true testament to the wonders of the natural world, and I encourage everyone to discover the magic of Aphelandra for themselves.